Picture this. You're 60 years young, and your skin looks every bit as radiant and vibrant as you feel inside. That dream can be a reality with the right anti-aging skincare routine. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to revitalizing your skin and maintaining a youthful appearance. As you enter your 60s, get ready to turn back the clock and unlock the secret to timeless beauty. Step 1. Cleanse and exfoliate. The foundation of ageless skin. Cleansing and exfoliating your skin is the bedrock of any effective anti-aging routine. It helps remove dirt, dead skin cells, and other impurities that can dull your complexion and make your skin appear older than it is. For cleansing, opt for a gentle hydrating cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin that help attract and retain moisture. As for exfoliation, incorporate a mild chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids like glycolic or lactic acid into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. These acids work by dissolving dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Be cautious not to overdo it with exfoliation, as it can lead to irritation and damage if done too frequently or with overly harsh products. Step 2. Hydrate and plump, quenching your skin's thirst for moisture. Hydration is key when it comes to achieving youthful and glowing skin. As we age, our skin's natural moisture barrier weakens, leading to dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. To combat this, it's essential to use a moisturizer that provides intense hydration without clogging your pores. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or glycerin, which are humectants that draw moisture from the environment onto your skin. A well-hydrated complexion appears plump and dewy, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, consider using a facial oil or serum containing fatty acids and antioxidants to nourish and protect your skin from environmental stressors that can accelerate aging. Step 3. Brighten and even out skin tone, banishing hyperpigmentation and uneven complexion. Discoloration and uneven skin tone can make you look older and more tired. To brighten your complexion and even out your skin tone, incorporate vitamin C into your daily routine. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps fade hyperpigmentation and brightens the skin. Look for a vitamin C serum with a high concentration of the active ingredient and a formulation that suits your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a gentle and stabilized form of vitamin C. Another powerful ingredient in the fight against discoloration is kojic acid. This natural substance is produced by certain fungi and has been traditionally used in skincare to lighten dark spots and Incorporating a product containing kojic acid into your regimen can help reduce the appearance of age spots and sun damage, leaving your skin with a more even and luminous tone. Step 4. Firm and lift toning and contouring your facial muscles. As we age, our facial muscles can begin to sag, leading to a loss of firmness and definition. To combat this, consider incorporating a facial toning device into your anti-aging routine. These devices typically use electrical currents or ultrasound technology to stimulate and strengthen the facial muscles. By regularly using a facial toning device, you can help improve muscle tone and provide a more lifted appearance. Additionally, practicing facial exercises can further enhance your results and help define your facial contours. These exercises involve moving your facial muscles in specific ways to strengthen and tone the underlying structures. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new toning or exercise regimen to ensure it's suitable for you. Step 5. Protect and shield. Shielding your skin from environmental stressors. Environmental stressors such as UV radiation, pollution, and blue light from electronic devices can contribute to skin aging by damaging the skin's DNA and disrupting its natural functions. To shield your skin from these harmful elements, incorporate an antioxidant serum into your routine. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the skin, protecting it from environmental damage. Look for a serum containing a blend of antioxidants such as vitamin E, resveratrol, and green tea extract. These antioxidants work synergistically to fight free radicals and support the skin's natural defense mechanisms. Furthermore, don't neglect your daily sunscreen application. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and reapply it every 2 hours if you're outside. Consistent sunscreen use is crucial in preventing premature aging caused by sun exposure and maintaining the long-term health of your skin. Step 6. Nourish and repair. Deep conditioning and overnight treatments. Deep conditioning and overnight treatments can provide your skin with extra nourishment and repair to combat the signs of aging. Once or twice a week, pamper your skin with a hydrating face mask that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. These masks help draw moisture into your skin, plumping up your complexion and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Additionally, consider using a neck cream containing peptides and plant extracts to target the often neglected skin on your neck. And these ingredients help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and age spots in these areas. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving ageless skin. Following these steps and using the recommended products regularly will yield the best results over time. Step 7. Embrace lifestyle enhancements, inner radiance from within. While skincare is essential, it's also crucial to embrace lifestyle enhancements that support healthy and radiant skin. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your body and skin with essential nutrients. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin looking plump and youthful. Regular exercise not only keeps your body fit, but also improves blood circulation, promoting a healthy glow. And don't forget the power of sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as it's when your body repairs and regenerates, including your skin. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, you'll enhance your overall health and radiance, complementing your anti-aging skincare routine. Step 8. Consult with professionals. Personalized guidance for optimal results. While these steps provide a comprehensive guide to anti-aging skincare, it's essential to recognize that everyone's skin is unique. Consider consulting with a dermatologist or skincare professional who can assess your individual needs and recommend personalized products and treatments. They can guide you in selecting the right ingredients and formulations based on your skin type and concerns, ensuring you get the most effective anti-aging regimen for your unique needs. Embrace the journey to ageless skin. Remember, achieving ageless skin is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, and soon enough you'll start seeing the rewards. Your 60s can be the decade where you redefine beauty standards and show the world that age is just a number. With the right mindset and approach, you can radiate health, vitality, and charm from the inside out. Now that you've discovered the ultimate guide to anti-aging routines in your 60s, it's time to put these tips into practice and unlock the secret to timeless beauty. Start today and embrace the journey towards healthier, more youthful-looking skin. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.